I am proud to be part of culture where Durga Ma and other female deities are respected and celebrated. At the same time, I feel very ashamed to be part of the country where woman is looked down only as a body. 23-year young girl was raped by 6 men and was left to die on the road, naked, wounded, devastated. But don't worry, she wasn't your mother, she wasn't your sister, she wasn't your daughter. But she could be one. The brutality has to stop right now. This is not only about women in Delhi. What about women in different parts of the country? We enjoy the glitters of wedding where girls' parents are forced to give dowry. Women every year in the nation are murdered before birth. We think it is none of our business when drunkard husband beats up your maid servant. There should be justice to women, and we should feel safe to move around not only in Delhi but across the country. Let us all come together across the country to solve this issue. Take a stand for what has happened. It is time to reclaim our position in our society. We have kept enough hopes on pathetic political leaders and corrupted judicial system. Now it is time for the society to stand for our own rights. This is not the first rape incident happen in a country. Do not let this story disappear like any other story, and the victim has to face the society and corrupted system by herself. Do not let this happen again. It is in our hand to protect women. I request Sakhis to voice your opinion in your city, media, social networking sites to make concrete laws to support women. This is Lakshmi Khalap Bhatt, editor at narisakhi.com.